Look at this development at 227 West Chicago. This sits directly next to the Chicago L stop, and that serves the brown and the purple lines. This is a transit oriented design. This will be 10 floors, 56 units, but only 22 parking spaces. That is something that is eye-opening for people, but look where this is sitting right next to that L station. Transit-oriented design is all the rage in Chicago. We really want to get people out of the car and onto public transportation or just moving around the city without a car in general. Because this project is only 10 stories tall, we will not see a tower crane at this site. And we really know that because there were no permits submitted to get a tower crane. Instead, they will be building the upper floors of this using mobile hydraulic cranes or crawler cranes. They will be staged on the street or in the alley. Here is a project pretty similar to 227. This is bounded by Franklin, Erie, and Wells Street, and we see a lot of the city filling in, not necessarily with tall buildings. This is the last shot here. I just wanted to do a quick drone 360 view just so you could see what the city looks like surrounding this site. This is above the site, so you can't see it. I think these drone 360 views are great because you get to see everything around the site where I'm sitting. This is a look out here to the West Loop, which is a growing area, but not taller buildings like people would like to see. In Toronto, they are building skyscrapers like you wouldn't believe around transit, although this is a smaller site, so it would not warrant a taller skyscraper. But it is great to see the city filling in. There is quite a bit of construction all around the city, quite a few bigger developments as well. But I like to look at small developments like this because that is adding to the character of the city, no matter which way you look at it. This is Chicago, such a beautiful city. Thank you, everyone, for being interested in these updates. I like to see the city growing, even if it's not tall buildings. And thank you, everyone.